Then I have two remaining items for us to look at. One is in the production system. If you go have a look in CalCATS, and I'm in here as Calusa, and I look at our monthly activity data entry, I'm still seeing 1 hours or 3 hours categories that are not mapped.
Okay.
Right, so we want to map these to something on your time card in CalPEATS.
And it's school regulatory activity hours?
Mm-hmm. Environmental justice activities and PR data entry support hours.
Yeah, we've talked about these. Okay. So the PUR, so what do we need to do with them?
You'd need to create some direct entry time categories.
Okay, so the PUR one, I know that that's going to be a secretary. That's going to be when our clerical enters PURs, hand enters some of the use reports that we get by paper ones.
Exactly, yep.
Okay, so I've got it open.
Do you want me to go ahead and create one just so you can see the process again?
Well, I'm in production, yeah. So I've got it open also. So what do you want me to? What do I do?
Okay.
I'm gonna compare.
Yep. Hop into your timesheet categories and click on Add Category.
Oh, did it time me out? Are we timing out now?
Well, it'll time you out after a half hour or so.
All right.
Yeah, you want to know how all these websites get hacked? It's because they have 8-hour timeouts, and hackers have a full 8 hours to try and decrypt your session cookie.
All right, so I'm going to go to my timesheet categories. And I'm going to go to my clerical direct.
Actually, no, you want to add a new category for this.
Oh,
all these PRAMR items need to be their own line items on the time card.
Okay, so then I'm going to do what PUR entry. Oh, I'll make it say exactly that. So are you in production also? Are we going to end up doing this twice, or do you want me to stop doing it?
No, I'm just walking through on the screen. I'm going to hit cancel when we're done, and you're going to hit save.
Okay, so PUR data entry hours, and then I'm going to choose one of these.
Yep. Make sure you get support, the word support in there, because there's already one for professional.
Yep, I did.
Okay, and then this will be straight time.
Straight time.
And you want to map it to this 13.1 PR data. Oh, sorry. 14.c.1.
Yeah, okay. And then payroll timesheet category be work time.
Yep.
And wait, what did that say? Exclude from totals? No.
Correct.
Did I do it? I did it.
Very good. And then the next step, though, is we want to make sure that that category is added to the timesheet templates of the people who are typically going to be doing that work.
Okay.
So if you go back to configuration and head into timesheet templates. And I imagine that's probably most likely going to be on your clerical timesheets.
Yep. Go
Pop
down
that
here.
guy open.
PUR, this side. So while I'm here, should I add the weights and measures activity? Kind of what we talked about, that because we're going to add the indirect time for weights and measures?
So on your clerical timesheet template, they already have the clerical direct and indirect.
And that's where weights and measures is.
Yep, that's all they'll need to enter their weights and measures time.
Okay.
This weights and measures activity row is a summation of weights and measures inspection forms, which you don't want your clerical people going in and doing.
That's perfect. Yep. All right.
Cool. So then you can just repeat that process for the other two categories, which are the schools regulation and the EJ hours.
Okay.
Although schools reg and EJ will probably need to be added to both the clerical and the biologist timesheet templates.
Yeah,